come with a cameraman, right? So you're all lying. Am I audible? Yeah, one more Lakshmi here. Am I audible? Okay. I take it no as a yes. Good morning, Bangalore. You are tuned into your favorite news channel, that is Akikapta. And I am your host of Those for the Day. I am Honor. Yeah, you got it right, it's Honor. And I'm going to show you what India really wants. So friends, get into the driver's seat, fasten your seatbelts. What is this, dude? You're coming like this to the office?
Dude, I'm coming from gym.
Oh, so you have also started hitting the gym regularly nowadays, huh?
Dude, I go to gym every day.
Dude, please, don't pull up fucking good stories in front of me. I know you. You're getting married, that's the main reason. So, like, have you met her? How is she and all?
Who will lie? Alright people, this is Tata.
And this is all about as I said earlier. And we are going to take you through a wonderful journey of what happens in the day of an IT engineer.
And it is called Life of Pi. By Pi means?
Professional IT engineer. Now cameraman, please focus on our test subject.
Alright, here is our first test subject. His name is Siddharth, alias Sid. The time is already 10 o'clock and he is sleeping like a baby. I have my jail. I had my breakfast. Did you have your breakfast?
I also had my breakfast.
Alright, let's see. We can give a try to wake him up. Sid?
Sid. Wake up,
Sid. Sid, you don't have to wake up now.
Sid. Oh, dude.
Sid.
Dude, my angry wife is coming. You should back in the scene.
Oh my god, it's 10 already. Sid, wake up.
Let me sleep for some time. Anjali, please switch off the alarm now, please.
Idiot, that's your manager. Pick up the call.
Hi, Ramya.
Hi Sid, where are you?
In 10 minutes I'll be in the office.
You know there's a meeting, everyone's waiting for you.
You know what? I'm stuck in the jam. I'll just come in 10 minutes, okay?
Make it fast.
Yeah, I'll be there. Sure. My God, time's running out. Anjali, where's my towel?
Sid, just look for them. Why are you so impatient?
These wives, nah, they don't take care of. My God, time's running out. No battery in this. Oh my God, why is this happening to me?
Sid?
Yeah?
Do you remember what day it is?
Yeah, it's a Thursday, right?
Go on.
She's acting weird. Yeah, I know! Today is my appraisal day! Yay! Thanks so much! I almost forgot and I'm late! My God! 4 years of hard work!
This guy doesn't even remember our anniversary.
I'm getting late. I'm going.
Sid, breakfast.
It's so late. I can't have the breakfast. Bye!
Okay, I
Bye!
need the lunchbox.
Alright people, it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Let's see what exactly happened last night. We'll have a flashback now.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, so late. But I have to hit the gym, right? It's healthy. But what? I'll skip this. And now this is what happened last night. And now let's see what happens now.
Oh my god, it's so late. I missed the bus again.
Let me start my part.
This old bullet doesn't even start. Why do people go for bullet?
Finally, I'll take a shortcut today.
I'm gone. I'm really sorry for that. I don't have the time. EMI 5K.
Oh my god.
This rate 7K. It's okay. I don't have time. I have to go. 15 days delivery time. God, I'm stuck. Okay, wait. I will give time to speak. God help me. My bike. My wife! You touching my wife! I'm taking your wife!
You know what? I don't have time for this nonsense. Take this.
For all this damage, you giving me garbage!
This is not garbage. This is all I have. Take it and go. That's it.
You will watch. It's the only thing I look at time. It's only watch. Take it. I don't have time for this. Helmet.
Don't you know we're in Bangalore? Huh?
Still 2 days left. Want my helmet? Yeah.
You see, friends, this is what I was talking about. We Bangaloreans, we know the essence of traffic, isn't it? See, traffic balance, traffic pollution, these are main two enemies which we face every day.
Alright, well, let's take it seriously now. More people die because of pollution than they are dying because of accidents happening really. And there is a survey which states that if a guy is living for 100 years in Bangalore, he is staying for more than 30 years in traffic only. Can you believe that?
That means 30% of his life, 30% of our lifetime is wasted just in traffic.
Exactly. Alright, we had a good fight up here. Now let's see what happens with his boss because he's going to office right now and he's very late.
Oh my god, the lift is stuck. And here we have the stairs. I'll wait for it. Let me take time. Oh god, I'm so late. What do I do? Can I come in?
Come in, sir.
Sorry, actually I'm a bit late.
Wait, should I say good morning or good afternoon, sir?
It's just an hour late, that's it.
Oh, no. You're very early. In fact, you're right on time. Not IST, Middle East time.
You know what, really, I have a good reason. I mean, there was so much traffic and then there's a lot of things happening, so that's the reason I came late.
Do you know you have an appraisal meeting today?
Yes, I know that we have a present meeting.
Oh, and do you know meeting's over?
It's over?
Yes, and your ratings have been given.
All my years of hard work. But please, something can be done about this.
Give me one good reason why I should give you a good rating.
I'll tell you that. The best reason the Bangalore can give. I was coming on my way, in the bike, near the footpath, and then...
All these Bangaloreans know, they give the same excuse all the time.
No, it's true. I mean, Bangalore traffic is like that. The pollution and other things, we can wait.
Give me another reason.
Okay, you want a reason? You know what happened? Early morning, as soon as I got up, Anjali, my wife, because of her I'm late. She's not taking care of me.
Hey, stop all these lame excuses. But there's one thing that you can do.
Yes, please tell me.
Do your deployment for the day and you can leave.
So So I can finish the deployment and leave for the day?
Yes, you can.
Let it take how much overtime. I will do it and I'll leave for the day. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
My God, so much work and so much less time. So much stress. How are you?
How's you?
Yeah, doing good. You know what? My life is taking a wrong turn. So much tension, so much less time. But yeah, I have around 4 hours left. It's so
You want to smoke?
Yeah, I'm feeling a bit tense. You go for a smoke?
Yeah, sure.
Nothing is as smoke.
Freeze!
What are you laughing at? This is a serious thing up here. All the things which are being performed right now are performed with precautions and all, and sustained area also.
But jokes apart, but do remember, smoking thrills, but it also kills.
That is the main thing.
Finally, some tension is relieved. But yeah, so much work. What is this? I'm not understanding. Where does this go and hit? Appraisal is on the line. I have to do something for this. It's getting late. Let me do one. Open Google. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this was the code I was searching for. Control C. Control V. Yes. Okay. Finally. Oh my God, it's so late. I finished my work, but it's so late. Tired. This life now, this stress, I don't know. I'm going home. Knock, knock.
Honey, do you know there's 10% discount in Tanish?
I can't bear this anymore. My office, I have my boss, she hits on me, she trashes me, and I come home, it's the same thing. Day over again and again. Just forget it. I'm tired. I'm too tired. You know what? I'm just going to sleep. Bye. Bye. Good night.
Hello? Raju uncle, give me the lawyer's number. It's just not working. I need it to work badly. Don't ask me anything. Okay? Bye.
Freeze! So friends, देखा आपने हमारे पुअर टेस्ट सब्जेक्ट सीट पर कैसा हुआ इमोशनल अत्याचार। सुबह गया तो बॉस के साथ टकरार, रात को घर से लौटा तो बीवी ने भी नहीं किया प्यार और बात डाइवोर्स तक आ गई है। But still, there's an opportunity for you that we are going to have a lucky draw. If you are thinking that in-law divorce program, SMS yes to 53535.
And if you think they are not getting your work, SMS go to 53538. Okay?
It's still effective. On one side, we have the frustrated IT engineer. On the other side, we have the neglected wife. And here we have two people reporting as if it's an entertainment show. As Batman, I want you to remember one thing. Stop neglecting your life, your health, your wife. I want you to take a vote right now. Stop neglecting and start caring yourself. Oh, I need to go. I will park my vehicle in the no parking zone. See you at the movies. Time for a round of applause. So I would just like to introduce our crew. They put in a lot of hard work in a short span of time to make this happen. First off, we have the reporters. This is Vijay.
This is Amlan. And he's our cameraman, Karthik.
And the best wife.
I'm Sharmila.
And the dual character,
I'm Rania.
last but not the least, हर एक friend जरूरी होता है, सुनना पड़ता है।
Thank you, brother. Signing off. Thank you all.